Nine coins of Baba. The revelation of the 9 silver coins, their consecration by the divine touch of Sai Baba, and how they came to be gifted to Srimati Lakshmi Patil Shinde is a saga in itself. Sri Sai Baba came to Shirdi at the age of 16, along with the marriage party of Chand Patil. The party alighted and rested under a banyan tree opposite the Khandoba temple. The marriage party moved on, but Sai Baba stayed back and started living in a dilapidated masjid Dwarkamai. Srimati Lakshmi Patil Shinde, a woman from well-to-do family, became an ardent devotee of Baba and served Baba till the day he attained Samadhi. One day, while Lakshmi Bai was passing by the masjid, Baba called out, "Lakshmi Ma, mujhe bhook lagi, roti la." She rushed back, prepared the food and brought 2 rotis, 1 tumbler of doodh chane ka besan, milk and gram, and gud ka tukda, a morsel of jaggery, and placed it before Baba. Instead of eating the food so lovingly prepared by Lakshmi Bai, Baba gave it to the dogs and pigs sitting nearby. She went back again, prepared some more food and brought it for Baba. He again gave away the food to the dogs. Lakshmi Bai was taken aback and asked Baba to why he gave away the food to the dogs while he himself was so hungry. He said, "Why do you grieve for nothing? The appeasement of the dog's hunger is my own hunger's appeasement, known for certain. He who feeds the hungry in fact serves me." After this incident, Lakshmi Bai started bringing for Baba every day till the day he took Samadhi in 1918. Baba used to enjoy the food prepared by her. On the historic day of Vijayadashmi in 1918, Lakshmi Bai brought Puran Puli, sweet bread, and offered it to Baba before breaking her own fast which she had been observing for the last 9 days Navratri. Baba asked Lakshmi Bai to leave the food and asked her to go and do breakfast. She looked surprised on hearing this, as she had never broken her fast before feeding Baba. Therefore, she was reluctant to take food before Baba had eaten. The all-knowing Baba then asked her to fan him, which she did with great devotion. Abdul Baba, Bhagat Malsapati and Shriman Bhutti were also present on this eventful day. After some time, Baba put his hand in his pocket and took out 5 silver coins. Baba called Lakshmi Bai and gave the 5 coins to her. Baba again put his hand in his pocket and this time he took out another 4 coins and turned to Lakshmi Bai and said, "Lakshmi Ma, तुमने मेरी बहुत सेवा की। तेरा नाम 7 समुद्र के पार निहाल करूंगा। मेरे जाने के बाद मेरी अस्थि भक्तों के साथ बात करेगी। मेरे समाधि दर्शन के लिए चींटियां तरह पंक्तियां लगेंगी। Lakshmi Ma, you have served me with devotion. I will make your name known across 7 seas. After I leave this corporeal frame, my ashes will converse with my devotees. To visit my shrine, my devotees will come in long ant-like rows." Baba uttered these words and poured the 4 coins into Lakshmi Bai's choli. Thus, this 9 rupees or coin symbolizes the 9 ways of the devotion which he gave to Lakshmi Bai, and soon thereafter Baba attained Samadhi. Thus, offering of Baba his last prasad to Lakshmi Bai is nothing but Lord Krishna's sermon of 9-fold path of bhakti, which he gave to his disciple Uddhav in the Bhagavad Gita. In the same way, Baba gave the 9 coins pointing out Nav Bhakti to Lakshmi Bai. The 9 coins given by the Baba to Lakshmi Bai after the Navratri Puja signifies, as stated above, the 9-fold of path of bhakti devotion, that is 1. Shravana, listening, 2. Kirtana, 3. Smarana, remembering, 4. Pad Seva, resorting to the feet, 5. Archana, worship, 6. Namaskara, making obeisance, 7. Dasya, service, 8. Shakyatva, friendliness, and 9. Atma Nivedan, surrender of the self. Any one of these 9 forms of bhakti will lead man to the lotus feet of the Lord. Baba had thus explained the significance of the devotion and the need for ardent desire to cultivate the 9 types of devotion to the Lord in so simple way. This presentation of 9 coins, apart from symbolizing the 9-fold path of devotion, also signifies the successful culmination of the puja rituals of Ambika, Goddess Durga, at the end of the Navratri festival. It also stands for Nav Shakti, since it was given after the Navratri puja. There was also a view which was quite prevalent that this presentation of the 9 coins could also denote Navgraha, 9 planets which have a direct impact on the man's life. Lakshmi Bai came from a well-to-do family and she was not in a need of any money. By presenting these 9 coins to her, Baba had merely pointed out to her and others present that the characteristics of a good disciple has narrated in verse 6, chapter 10, Skand 11 of Srimad Bhagavad, wherein first 5 of these 4 characteristics are described. Thus, Baba followed the same order. This information is provided in Sri Sai Sat Charitra, published by Sri Sai Baba Sanstha Shirdi in chapter 42 and 21. On 2nd June 1963, when Lakshmi Bai's condition was critical and she knew that her end was near, she instructed those present near to her to read the 42nd chapter of Sai Sat Charitra. As per her instruction, her granddaughter Srimati Seljama started reading from the above chapters. Lakshmi Bai's son Nana Patil Shinde, her daughter-in-law Srimati Sonubai Patil Shinde, and her granddaughter Srimati Seljama Patil, lovingly called Hira by Lakshmi Bai, were at her bedside when she passed away after the sage Aarti, the day's last prayer. Opposite the old house where Lakshmi Bai lived, a temple dedicated to her memory was constructed by Srimati Seljama. Master Arun, Lakshmi Bai's great-grandson, were residing in the old house where Srimati Lakshmi Bai Patil Shinde used to live. The 9 silver coins were kept with due reverence. Srimati Lakshmi Bai Shinde Patil till her demise in 1963, prior to which she had handed them over to her daughter-in-law Sonubai Patil Shinde. In 1980, Srimati Sonubai Patil Shinde, her daughter Srimati Seljama Patil and the grandson Arun shifted to Koregaon with the Baba's 9 coin. Srimati Sonubai died on 25th December 1984 in Koregaon. Before passing away, she in turn had handed over the 9 coins to her daughter Srimati Seljama for the safe custody and worship. In fact, people had come to know of the sanctity of the 9 coins and they had been visiting Srimati Seljama's residence at Koregaon since 1980 itself to have their darshan. On the persistent request of signed devotees, these 9 coins were brought back to Shirdi by Srimati Seljama Patil. Since then, they have been kept with all reverence since 1997 at the house of Srimati Seljama Patil Shirdi. Baba explained the significance of this 9 rupees as the 9 qualities a devotee should have. 1. Absence of egoism. 2. Absence of jealousy. 3. Untiring service. 4. Absence of worldly desires. 5. Complete faith in Guru. 6. Peaceful nature. 7. Desire to know the truth. 8. Absence of envy. And 9. Absence of self-boasting and find faults in others. Unless a devotee improved these 9 qualities, he could not have true devotion to reach God. Thus, Baba taught to Lakshmi Bai even in his last moments. These 9 coins are now kept at Lakshmi Bai's house. 9 coins are kept for display in the ground floor, where we can do darshan from outside. The family lives in the first floor. Lakshmi Bai's house is few meters away from gate 3-4 of Samadhi Mandir. Sai Sat Charitra is a unique gift for mankind. It teaches us not to project on the mind irrelevant details and pollute it with fumes of envy and greed. By reading Sri Sai Sat Charitra in Brahm Muhurta 4 to 6 am, devotees will receive positive energy and Baba's blessing. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Jai Shri Sai.